Well, that was her.
Cause I could've got paid every time. I could've got paid, but see, I had my living
But
room
no,
and
because
bedroom
you don't have to do cheaper because you buy your house.
done. But what I'm
When
saying
I
is
buy my
that,
house, I want everything
Not
nice. I don't want nothing cheap.
no, but what I'm saying, they gave me an option. They had cheaper wood that's for people who is just for moving or for selling. I didn't want that when I upgraded to the next one because I didn't want it just to last. I wanted it to last for a while. And then that's why I didn't get the, and then they did the living room, hallway, his bedroom where he had. They did like, and they moved all the furniture. They did all that. It was worth it because they did it. They put trim down and everything. They did it professionally. So it was worth it. But that's what I'm trying to talk to her nice and tell her I don't have that. If you make peace and you mess it up, you'll be cut. So this ain't your fault. That's the only bad thing I hate about letting
You should have told her, you gonna be getting it fixed this time. You don't have to pay.
girl, please, that nurse, that old lady is in the car, you get her right.
Record you doing it and then we gonna be in court.
Yeah, I'm gonna make the company redo my floor. But that's how they go. See, she used to being probably in a nursing home to where if you working somewhere, even if it's a floor, you don't care. If you're in a hospital or a nursing home,
And she probably ain't used to nobody saying nothing, you know.
you know,
Some of them people can't talk, you know what I'm saying, they can't speak up.
but somebody told me, my friend of mine that works there, say she must come from,